Hey guys, how to generate Amazon affiliate link on mobile. So go ahead to the Amazon Associate or affiliate program.amazon.com and hit sign in. Okay, you're gonna sign in using your Amazon account. Alright, and afterwards, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the Amazon product site. Okay, make sure it says your location, like Amazon.com SA, right, or UAE or whatever, or US, right, and go ahead to the specific product. Okay, like in the screenshot, you're gonna see Amazon Stripes, right, or Amazon Associates logo. Okay, you're gonna hit text, right, like in the screenshot. A link will be generated to that specific product, right? In my case, headphones, okay? Wireless headphones. And now I could take that link and put it out there on social media or share it with a friend to buy this product. And from there, you're gonna be able to earn commissions, okay? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next